Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things, and this is the 10-minute better team. Our host is Melanie Plain and Simple, and our rhyme this month is, hopefully I don't mess it up, I'm not a rhymer, Melanie needs to help me with this. Jingle bells, clatter smells, and here we go. Let's see, what could we work on that could smell? Oh, and if you haven't seen, I have a co-host today. This is Oscar. He's my blind dachshund. And nobody hardly ever sees him on a video because he's normally just asleep. But this is my Clutter Smells, and he's going to be here helping me with the project. We're going to whoosh his blankets because he's just a cuddler. When you come over to my house, there's 4 recliners. That way you can grab a recliner and we have tons of throws everywhere. You grab a recliner, a throw, and a puppy to cuddle with because we got 4. That's just the way it is at my house, isn't it, buddy? But we're going to work on decluttering his dog toys, and we're going to whoosh his throws. Oh, and the husband's socks. Yeah, he wears my socks. He's a goofball. We know my husband. But anyway, we're going to go through some of their toys and get them cleaned up. And Oscar's like, what's going on? You're bothering my sleep. Yeah. This one here could be piled here to go into the laundry room. There's nothing wrong with that one. That one can go to the laundry too. I'm going to wash the stuff that can be washed. This has had its days, so it can go to the trash. Anything that could be washed, we're going to wash it for them and get them all cleaned up. Like this one, it can't be washed, but... And I sent all the dogs that watched the video crazy. That one looks like it's a new one. They must not like that one. That one's good. No rips or tears in it. The biggest thing is, as I look for, is no rips or tears because they really get rough with some of these. And no stuffing coming out if they have stuffing. And then anything that can go in the laundry, we'll put it in the laundry. Like this one, there's ravelings coming off it, so we'll let it go. These are the Bailey and Bella's favorite. This guy here don't play with toys much anymore. That one, I think I'm going to let it see. It's seen its better days. I'm going to let him go too. He's got an ear chewed off. I think I'm going to let that one go too. And the rest is going in the laundry. I'm going to pick up all the throws, put them in the laundry too. A load of throws and our puppy toys. We'll put them in to get them cleaned up so they don't smell anymore. Hey guys, I want to talk about dog smell. I have 4 dogs, 2 of which are rescues and older dogs, so you know they can have accidents, and my puppies sometimes do too. And right now Bella's got a stomach ache, so she's not feeling well, and so we all have that when we have puppies. But I found a product that is really great on getting rid of and removing dog smell in your home. And stains. Say like if they peed on your carpet, whatever, it's really good removing dog stains, and it really does make a difference. It's to the point I have a subscription with Amazon. I get this regularly. It's called Angry Orange. It's stain remover and enzyme cleaner. Because, you know, we can use Febreze and that just masks the odor. But this actually gets the enzymes of the pee or the, you know, whatever they did out of your carpet and out of your furniture if they would pee or get sick on it. It's a great product. I really love it. It's for pee, poop, and puke. Breaks down and eliminates stains and on multi-surfaces. It's the best product that I've found with to remove that stuff. And for me, when I clean my sofa, I sweep it, I run the carpet cleaner on it, and then I spray this on it. And then I carpet clean it again after about an hour. And it has made my furniture and my rugs so much better. Even my husband uses it all the time. We're giving Bella a bath. That's another thing that'll help keep your dog smell under control, is give your dog a bath when you know they need it. Like her, she's been sick, so I'm going to give her a nice bath to get rid of some of that smell. She also has allergies, so I use a soothing hypoallergy shampoo for her, because she does get allergies and get the itch. Do a big declutter this time. We are eliminating 8 dog toys, and we are also sending 4 throws to the dog shelter for homeless puppies, because we got some new throws for the sofa, and so we're going to pass them along.